You've been looking at the weather there, though, Louise.
Yes, spare a thought for some of the athletes that are battling with some of the extreme heat just recently. If you were watching the hockey earlier on today, the temperature on the thermometer may well have read 33 degrees, but factor in the humidity. It felt more like 43 degrees. So that really is quite incredible. And although the temperatures are falling away only slowly, so the athletics that are about to get underway, well, the temperatures will still be sitting into the high 20s, still with that humidity as well. Back to reality, however, let's get back closer to home. Unfortunately, our settled summer sunshine has abandoned us, hasn't it? With low pressure still dominating the scene generally across the country. The heaviest of the rain so far today has been through eastern Scotland, drifting its way steadily westwards. And these bands of showers moving out of Northern Ireland, northwest England and North Wales. Some of these heavy and thundery for the remainder of the afternoon. Further south, there are fewer showers around and the best of the breaks with the best of the sunshine. But nevertheless, it's a disappointing story, isn't it, really? Top temperatures of 22 degrees. That's 72 Fahrenheit. Now, as for the weekend, it looks likely that we're going to continue with a very similar weather story. Thundery showers, plenty of them, but also one or two sunny spells from time to time. And that's because the low pressure still with us on Saturday. You can see those showers spiralling around the low, starting off in the west, drifting their way steadily east as we go through the day. So the best of any drier weather will be in sheltered eastern areas, but you'll not be immune to those showers as we go through the day. It's also going to be blustery. The wind's picking up, widespread gusts in excess of 30, 40 miles an hour, potentially on those exposed coasts. So that is going to make it feel disappointing for this time of year, particularly if you're caught in the showers with top temperatures, well, 15 to 20 degrees. Now, the low pressure will start to drift its way out to the north and east. And so on Sunday, there's a potential maybe for fewer showers around, which will certainly come as welcome news. There will be some showers, particularly the further north and west, but central and southern parts of England, perhaps drier with some sunshine coming through, and maybe to the north of the Great Glen as well. Not a bad afternoon in prospect. High still disappointing though, 21 Celsius. That's 70 Fahrenheit. I can almost hear you sighing at me at the television. But there are indications that high pressure is starting to try and build in from the south, although low pressure really not moving away totally. But that does mean as we move through our week ahead, it's looking somewhat like this. For England and Wales, we might see a drier, quieter story with a little more sunshine and a degree or so warmer, but we still keep those shower risks going further north and west. Jane.